Today we are going to see AWS snapshots overview. In this we have full snapshots, incremental snapshots, and snapshot life cycle. Okay, introduction to AWS snapshots. EBS snapshots are backups of Amazon Elastic Block Storage. Shortly it is called EBS volumes, stored in Amazon S3 for durability and availability. Used to restore volumes or create new ones. It is used to restore volumes or create the new one. Can be manual or it can be automated. Okay, automatically it can be copied into another region. What is a full snapshot? A complete backup of the entire EBS volume. Captures all data at a specific point in time. Takes longer and uses more storage than incremental snapshots. Usually only done for the first snapshot of a volume. Full snapshots, we can see what are all pros and cons. Pros: complete data copy, easy to restore from one file. Cons: large storage cost because they charge for the full data. Longer creation time, it takes longer because of the volume. Best for initial backups or compliance requirements. What is an incremental snapshot? Backup only the data that has changed since the last snapshot. Okay, so we are taking only the backups of the data. For the changing, adding extra, that only we are taking, that is called incremental. More storage, efficient and faster than full snapshot because it's only a small amount, so faster, the process is faster. Still requires access to all previous snapshots for a full restore. Okay, because after that also we can access that full storage, full snapshot. Okay, incremental snapshots, pros and cons. Save storage and time, cost efficient. Storage is smaller amount, time faster. Cons: requires multiple snapshots for full recovery. So if you do that part, it will take multiple recovery. If you want to recover it more, it will take multiple. Best for frequent backups where only small changes occur. How snapshots work in AWS? First snapshot, full backups of the EBS volume. Subsequent snapshots, incremental changes only. Snapshots stored in Amazon S3 but managed by AWS. Can be copied across regions for disaster recovery. Snapshots lifecycle management. AWS Data Lifecycle Manager automates snapshot creation and deletion. Policies define backup frequency and retention period. Helps reduce storage cost and maintain compliance. AWS lifecycle, it's a lifecycle called copy, share, archive and delete. Okay, that is called life cycle. Okay, what is that? Okay, cost effective we saw. How snapshots work in AWS? Okay, this we'll have to see before that. Okay, we saw this one. Backups only data that has changed since the last. This is the incremental. Pros: first snapshot, full backup. So AWS data, here we left. AWS Data Lifecycle Manager DLM automates snapshot creation and deletion. So that itself takes care of the creation and deletion. So policies define backup frequency and retention period. So policy says everything about that. AWS policy helps reduce storage cost and maintain compliance. Snapshot. So storage cost and maintain compliance. Best practices for snapshots. Use incremental snapshots for cost efficiency. Schedule regular snapshots using DLM. Okay, tag snapshots for easy identification. Let it give the name, tag it. Copy critical snapshots to another region. Okay, we can see the summary. Full snapshots, complete backups, large size. Incremental snapshots, efficient and cost saving. Snapshot lifecycle, automate to save cost and ensure compliance. Snapshots are essential for disaster recovery in AWS. If you take backup and if you store in different regions, if some data are getting lost, it can be retrieved from the data in the other regions. That is the main purpose of taking the snapshot, data security, because the data will be secured. Even if one data is lost, we can take it from another place. That is the purpose of snapshot. Okay, thank you.